process of putting a natural pond in our garden to attract wildlife. This is just an introduction, so the first bit is to decide where you're going to put it and what sort of liner you're going to use. My garden's northwesterly facing, so this patch, let's just show us the patch there. This patch gets the sun from about 11 o'clock through till about 4 or 5 o'clock in the evening, and we decided to go on a pre-formed pond liner rather than the butyl liner because, well, for ease really, I think this is easier, and it's got all the shells already in it, so all I've got to do is dig the hole and plop it in and line it with some sand. So the next stage will be to do that, and then we'll come back to see that stage at that point. I'm just going to dig off the top layer now and then start to dig down and get the finished shape. Hello again. I'm at the level now where I've dug the hole to the shape of the pre-formed liner and lined it with some sand just to fill in the gaps. I'm now going to fill it with water and let it sink down, and then fill in all the gaps around the edge and pop some oxygenating plants in the next couple of days, and then design the landscaping around it. But more or less that's all there is to it. This is just to show you the finished pond. Filled it up with rainwater and put some marginal plants in and oxygenators. I eventually aim to have about 75% of it covered with plants of both sorts, but at the minute, if you have a look, you can see that it's started to clear up. I put some gravel in the bottom, and everything seems to be settling down very nicely. The plants seem to be doing okay, and like I say, I'm just going to add a few more, and that's it really. See what happens.